Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Robies. Now today's a special day. I'm cooking for my wife. We just found out that one of her videos just hit 1.3 million views and 13,000 new subscribers. We thank all of you. If it wasn't for you, this wouldn't be possible. So today I'm going to cook her some steak. I got some, I think these are T-bones. Yeah, T-bone. Baked potato, corn. I'm going to be using this for the garnish for the potatoes. And the seasoning, really simple. Montreal steak seasoning. Goes good. I'm going to be throwing those outside on the grill. But hey, we're going to turn this. All right, it's all done. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get started here. First off, I'm gonna season my steak, just because that's gonna be the longest to cook. All right, so I'm just gonna just lightly cover one side, turn it over, do the same. Now this Montreal seasoning, it's really good with steak. That's all I ever use for steak. Sometimes I use different stuff, but today I'm just gonna get this ready. The wife has to go to work today, so try to get this done before she heads out here. Yeah, throw this one over here. And everything with steak, it depends on how you like your steak done. Do you like it rare, medium well? It's all up. Taster's choice. Get a little bit of this sides on there. And then with the potatoes, I'm gonna bake those. So they'll cook for about an hour almost. But I'm gonna just be getting a fork. I'm gonna set my oven to 425, and then I'm gonna poke some holes in them, get the oven ready. Yeah, should be all right. Gonna get our holes. I've already washed these and patted them off. Just gonna do like six little punchers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to be wrapping these in foil, so I've already cleaned my corn. Got my pot ready. That'll be the last thing I sort of toss in there. Corn doesn't take, 20 minutes, and then it's ready, or 20-25. And then we're going to be topping these potatoes once they're done with sour cream. I'm going to put butter, sour cream, and I'm going to chop up some green onion, and then plate it all. You'll see what it turns out to be. Thank you for watching. Okay, just dropped my steaks on the grill, and my wife likes it medium well, so probably looking at 30 minutes, 25 minutes. All right, get back with you later when it's done. Just started the corn. That's just sitting in here boiling. See you here in a minute. All right, it's all done. Oh yeah. All right. Thank you for watching and subscribing. This is Wifey's celebration dinner. All right. Until the next video, I'm out.